Yeah, broski. So this was a video that I was supposed to be making few weeks ago and document the feelings and emotions that I was going through, as my cooperating journey has gone through a lots of ups and downs, and it has just tested me to my core. And I just wanted to record, yet those emotions have just passed away, and now today I'm just making this video and documenting my process. I have less time on my clock as I am out of storage in this phone, so I will just come to the point. I did lost myself a few days ago. Today it may sound like a very like pathetic or self-pity thing that I am doing or something like that. Uh, I don't know how to describe it. It won't feel like it was a big matter yet. I do know the things that I went through in the past couple of days. Zero motivation to just work, zero willpower to just even get up in the morning. And whenever I just get time, I just wanted to take a sleep, just to sleep. I did not want to just wake up and run my mind around or even just to think about anything. I was overthinking a lot. I had lost my confidence, and if I become a lot more vulnerable with you guys, or this video is for me only, so if I wanna get more vulnerable, I had just completely lost the essence of my mind, the beliefs that I had, the confidence that I had generated over the years. And all of this just happened because recently I just went on a trip, and before going on a trip, I was not in a state of mind where I could just relax, or I would have fun. I was where my mind can just crack jokes when there is a group setting and when we guys are talking. And I was a little depressed. I can just add that word. I was a little depressed at that time, and I didn't just know that why it was like it was back then. Though today I just do know why I had gone through such a period. And man, those were a hell lot of days of just feeling down. Maybe it was like 10 or 14 days when I straight up went through this phase and did not even just want to wake up or even just want to think about anything, to be honest with you. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but the point that I'm gonna just make is that my confidence did shatter. This is the point that I wanted to make. That just going through daily chores, I did not just feel confident in anything. Now I am not just gonna add specification, but the reason why I did not feel confident is because I did lost hope in myself, because it's been so long that I have been trying to achieve some kind of success and progress in copywriting, and the client acquisition part is just taking forever for me. I had just left my videography my videography clients, and for this thing, for copywriting, just to give more time to copywriting, and that was not a great decision that I do know now. And I have left that income, I have left the challenges I was facing while delivering the service part, and overall I just did know that the capabilities that I had achieved in the past, I was not even 1/10 of it. So I literally just lost a lot of confidence in myself, and I went into a self-pity mode, and I took my time. Past 6 days have been super brutal for me. Maybe let's say after coming from the trip, past 6 days after coming from the trip, I came back from the trip on 11th of June. So after those till 17th of June, the days were very tough for me. And I got to see a different side of myself that I have never seen, which was like a person who was just completely lost, out of hope, who did not just even know what his purpose was. And that all happened because I lost faith in myself that I could achieve the goals that I had planned for myself for copywriting. That's the thing that I wanted to share. Yep, that I lost hope 100%, which never happened, by the way. From December 15th, 2023, I started learning about copywriting, and till this day I have not just closed client. But before this trip, before the vacation that I took, I never just felt so hopeless, so out of confidence. Yet this time it just shattered me from the deepest it shattered the deepest confidence in me, and I was just feeling like a zero. I don't know how to describe it in words or something, but the only thing I can just share is that I'm not just gonna fucking lose hope, bro. I'm just gonna rise again. I'm just gonna fucking get a comeback from this setback. And I'm just gonna do the thing that I am good at, which is putting in the work, taking the actions. And I'm just fucking gonna make myself proud, become the best version of myself, and fuck this depression, you know. One thing that I noticed was, in your deepest lows, you are your biggest cheerleader. Nobody came to just rescue me. It was only me, my mind, my thoughts that became from negative to positive. And I was fucking able to just convert those self-pity doubts into confidence back again. I was like, I am the man, bro. I am the rider of this boat. I went to the gym, I cleared my head, started going to the gym again after a week, and just saw a positive result, you know. Recently I also did a shoot, a videography service shoot. I made the video, and it gave me a hell lot of confidence again, you know, that I have the skill, I am the man who delivers the work. And to be really honest, I would just never wanna go back to that stage. Or if I do, I'm just gonna watch this video again and just remember that how high did I jump after this. I'm just gonna get cooperative clients. I'm just gonna talk positive to myself. I'm just gonna show up every single day, regardless of how I feel, and I'm just gonna win. That's for sure. That's the thing that I'm gonna do. I am gonna fucking win. That does not even cross my mind. Losing does not cross my mind now. I did lost hope, but I never thought that I'm just gonna lose to the game. I'm just gonna put in the effort, take the required actions, and I'm just gonna bounce back. You're just gonna see me, bro. You're just gonna see me. This is for myself. You're just gonna see me becoming the person that I really wanted to become for very long time. And slowly and steadily, I'm just becoming that person. I'm developing a character out of myself. The thoughts that I am having are just going to be positive now. Why? Because I did saw myself in the mirror and I said to myself that, bro, you have just so much potential in yourself that you don't even know. And I am the fucking man who is going to carry this boat to the end. And I'm just not gonna just let it sink like that in just my thoughts, in just overthinking. I became confident again. I moved through life with confidence again, and I'm back in the game. These lows are just not gonna stop me, bro. That's for sure. That is the only thing that I know, that I am gonna win. And now I'm just gonna take that proof of concept and build a social proof for myself. Build a fucking straight up wall of achievements, progress that I'm just gonna make. And I promise myself one thing. What would be that one thing? Let me just think about it. This shit has just tested me to my core, bro. Like, seriously. I never thought about that. I would just have to see such a days. Like, seriously, I did not see these days coming. But what I do know is that one thing is for sure. I'm just gonna work hard, bro. I'm just gonna not promise anything to myself. Though I am now making goals. I'm even like recovering from it. My mind is not 100% on it yet. The only thing that I know is that I'm just gonna win, bro. That's the only thing that I know. That's the message. I lost hope. I came back, and now let's see how life treats me. That's it. Bye bye.